Hey people, so this particular video is a review of the movie Extraction that stars Chris Hemsworth, and it's been set in Bangladesh. So especially during this lockdown phase, it's interesting to watch movies that you know during the course of the film you get to see Australia, you get to see Mumbai, like India, then Bangladesh, Dhaka. So it's quite interesting in that sense. And Chris Hemsworth is, there's a certain sincerity, yeah, in the actor's eyes. I mean, he, he brings that element of you really want to root for him. You want his character to win. And since it involves a you know the storyline involves a kidnapping and the underworld and mafia and all. It's a bit nail biting, the whole film. But it's worth the watch, people. It's called Extraction, and it's among the top 10 trending films in India, on Netflix. So Extraction it is, and it's on starring Chris Hemsworth. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.